Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. She is a famous actress with a net worth of approximately $10 million. Well, how do we say her name correctly? We may pronounce it as Sophie Turner, Sophie Turner, Sophie Turner, Sophie Turner. Sophie Turner is known for her captivating performances in fantasy and drama genres. Some of her top performances include Game of Thrones, X-Men: Dark Phoenix, and Another Me. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Sophie Turner, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.